Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 11. Our learning goal for today says, I can build towers to show one more to 20. Ooh, I love building towers. Do you like to build towers? Of course I do. I like to make them so high. So I'm super excited we're going all the way to 20 today. Okay, so I need a helper. Oh, thanks. All right, a little Lego guy's going to come help us out. Now he's been working hard and he already built this nice tall green tower. Can we very carefully count to see how many are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the green is 10. Now, do we have any more blocks so we can add one more? Oh, good. He'll grab that one. All right, orange. All right, so 10, and then if we do one more, 10, 1. What number would that be? Oh, good, 11. Excellent. Friends, do you think it's helpful to change the new group of 10 to a different color? Yeah, why is it helpful? It is helpful. Why is it? Yeah, because we don't want to have to keep counting 10 over and over again, right? If we know all the green ones are 10, the ones that we're adding to the top are just showing more than 10. Especially since we know how to say 10 way. 10, 1. That will help us to figure out what the number is. Okay, so we're at 11, and let's see. What else do we have? Ah, another one. So 11, and then one more. That'd be 10, 2. What number is that? 10, 2. Oh, yeah, 12. 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Any more? Oh, yes. Oh, good. Perfect. Put that one up there. Friends, what number is that? Good. 10, 3 or 13. See, we made 13 just by taking our time and adding just one more every single time. Fantastic. I mean, I think our towers are going to be pretty big by the end of today. Hey, let's try another one. Okay, so here's a tower that my friend already built for us. I see a big chunk of color at the bottom, all that yellow. So what do you think that number is? Yes, it's 10. Because we already said we're going to change the colors when we get into a new group of 10. So do we have to keep counting that yellow part? Nah. If our rule is that that big piece is going to be just 10 if it's all one color, we don't have to keep counting it over and over. I mean, we can to double check, but we could actually just count on. So let's go up to that purplish color. Let's put our finger there and let's count 10. Let's go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Do you see how I just counted one more as I went up? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, I just did it as carefully as I could, and I used my good finger to keep growing at the top. All right? That's one way we could count when we're going up towers all the way to 20. Another thing we could do is we could just add one more every single time, right? So we add 15, and let's put one more up there. Now it's 16. Good. 16, and then one more would be, good, 17. 17 and one more would be 18. Now the thing is, what if you're counting these towers and you're adding one more, but then your teacher comes over and asks you a question like, what are you doing? Blah, 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 and you answer the question. And then you go back to work and you're like, wait, what was I doing here? I forget the number. How could we quickly count to see how many we have in our tower now? Oh, I love that idea. Yeah, we know this is 10. Do we have to count 10 right there? Nah, we can just count on 10, and then we can start counting here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, yeah, we're on 18. 18 and one more would be 19. And then 19 and one more would be, yeah, 20, because we have another group of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we know two tens is 20. Oh, what a nice 20 tower. I told you our towers are going to get huge today. All right, our learning goal for today says, I can build towers to show one more to 20. That's exactly what we did. Okay, this is what I would like you to do. As you'll notice, I have a beautiful tower here that I have started. All right, what number is this, do you think, this red part? Yeah, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I see 16 here. Friends, what I would like you to do is I want you to get out some of those counting cubes that you have, and I want you to draw a picture of I want you to use the counting cubes to make a tower that's one more than 16. Okay? Then make a video and tell me how many are there. All right, so you're going to use different colored counting cubes to make a tower that's one more than 16. All right, good luck and have fun. Oh, by the way, your tower doesn't have to be standing up and down. It can be laying flat across your desk. That's just fine. Sometimes those counting cubes like to fall over. All right, good luck.